Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 7C, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card on this device. First, we need to open the file manager. To do it, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here tap on the files icon. Now let's find the files we want to move. For example, let's open the images and camera, and here we have two files. To move them, select them by pressing and holding on one, and then you can select one or multiple by tapping on more. Once you select your files, tap on move right here at the bottom, then tap on local right here at the top, select the SD card, find the folder you want to move your files into. For example, let's create a new one by tapping on new folder. Then tap save. Now let's open our folder and move our files right here by tapping on move. Like this. And as you can see, our files are on the SD card now. To move them back, for example, to internal storage, we can select one. For example, this time, tap on move, tap on local again, and then tap local right here. Oh, my bad. Right here to go to the main page of local, like that. Select internal storage, and here find the folder you want to move the files into. For example, DCIM, camera, and tap move to move your file, like this. And that's how you transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.